Guys, I am sorry, but if you clicked on this video expecting a nice, normal rail fanning video, then you just made a terrible mistake. Because today, we're gonna see some weird, unusual, dangerous, and even cursed things that I've seen while rail fanning in the last few years. Like, for instance, the time I found a broken crossing gate just lying in the middle of the road. So, I'm trying to go find a southbound that I saw lined through in wherever we are, but first, gotta do my good deed for the day. Don't really know what exactly happened here, but I just pulled up to this crossing and I don't think that was supposed to be on the ground, so hopefully now nobody will hit that. Let's go see if we can find this train now. Okay, that was kind of weird, but people hit gates all the time. But you know what I don't see all the time is boxcars with giant holes in them. I don't know if this boxcar was about to be scrapped or if it just wasn't in good shape, but I found it sitting in Bucyrus, Ohio, and I had to take a closer look. So that was kind of weird, but only a week prior to that, I saw one of the most cursed engines ever, AWVR 777. Well, not really, but I did see CSX 777. Is that close enough? Guys, you will not guess what I just found. It's 777! Amazing. I have no idea where we are, but this guy's got a lunar indication to come out of the siding. Hopefully it's not a runaway, boys. Here's another weird train I saw on the Henderson sub by total surprise, a UP SD70M pulling a new Brightline commuter set past my store in Springfield. The heck was that? So, we've seen some weird stuff so far, but how about something actually pretty scary? A few weeks ago, there was a ton of rain here in Nashville, and the Brewston subdivision experienced a washout near Belmead. I've never seen the roadbed get completely eroded like this, so I had to slow down to get a closer look. A few months earlier, at almost the same location, I ran into the Loram rail grinder doing its thing on my way to the store. This has got to be one of the most unique and coolest pieces of railroad equipment to see in operation. Now here's a crazy one for you guys. A while back, I was driving past the scrapyard along the Cumberland River in Nashville, the one that uses that gorgeous Conrail SW1200, and noticed something kinda odd. A few of their gondolas looked like they were leaning sideways, and it turns out they were actually on the ground. Upon closer inspection, it looks like one of the rails slid out from under the cars and caused this minor derailment. Thankfully, the cars all stayed upright, so this probably didn't take too long to fix. Let's wrap up with one of my favorite catches in this video, a locomotive with graffiti on it, but not the way you would expect. I found this Norfolk Southern SD40-2 with a vandalized Norfolk and Western paint scheme on the short nose after sound checking for a gig in Gainesville, Georgia. I love the N&W and I love SD40-2s, so I really love this. Gainesville, Georgia rules.